Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Hope you all are doing well. This is your Elsa teacher. Welcome back to our classes. Today, we are going to study something about grammar. We are studying a new topic. Actually, you know this topic before. Today, we are going a bit more deep with the topic. Okay. I hope all of you have completed your last unit activities in your textbook and studied well. Isn't it? Yes. So let's move on to our classes directly. Before telling the topic of the day, let me take you to watch a video. Don't you like to watch a video? Yes, I know you will. So let's watch it. Can you see a boy and a dragon baby? Yes, they are going to play some grammar games. Let's watch it.
Hey Elvis, I'm bored of studying. Let's play person place thing. How to play that? Look at this bowl. Select an alphabet. What did you get? Letter C. Okay, now we'll have to list one name each for a person, place and thing, starting from letter C. Let's see who does it first. Start. Time up. Time to check the answers. Hey Elvis, why are your answers in capital letters? Because you listed all common nouns and I listed all proper nouns. All proper nouns need to be capitalized. What is the difference between common nouns and proper nouns? We know that all names are nouns. Here, child is a general name. It is not specific. Hence, child is a common noun. If you say, hey child, you might probably get many responses. But if you say, hey Chang, you might get one response as you are pointing to someone specific. Chang is a special name given to a specific child and hence it is a proper noun. Look at the following pictures. This is a boy. This is a dog. This is a fort. This is a car. All these names are general names of a person, an animal, a place, and a thing. These are common nouns. Now, let's give special names to these common nouns. So we can say, this is Jimmy. This is Ginger. This is the Red Fort. This is a Honda City. Special names given to a person, an animal, a place, and a thing are called proper nouns. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. Names of cities, days, months, festivals, books, etc. are proper nouns.
Have you understood the topic of today's class then? Yes, it's about nouns. In our textbook, it is given naming words, common names and special names. Here, you can see a picture of nouns. Nouns are naming words of persons, then places, then things, then animals. So, naming words are names of persons, places, animals, and things. If we are giving special names for them, they are special names. Okay, my dear children, let's take our grammar textbook now. All of you take Unit 6 Special Name. You can see a picture here. Here some sentences are given. I'll read the first two sentences. First two set of sentences. Listen to me, okay? Keep your finger near the lines. Ravi is a boy. He is playing with a ball. Here, the name Ravi is a special name as it is a boy and the boy has a special name Ravi, and you can see the first letter of Ravi, that is R, is capitalized as it is a special name. In the second set we can see the description of another boy. Boy is a common name and the special name given to that common name is Sonu. And here also we can see the first letter of Sonu is capitalized. S is capitalized. Sonu is a boy. He is flying a kite. So, I hope you understood what is a common name and what is a special name. In this two set of sentences, we can understand Ravi and Sonu are the special names of common name boy. And can you see another common name here? Yes, ball. Ball is a common name. And what about in this sentence? Yes, we have kite as a common name. Okay, my dear children, let's move on to the next page then. Before moving, let's check some more points. Special names given to some places are like Delhi, Nagpur, Goa. In our own places, it is Alur, Irinjalakuda, Chalakudi, etc. And pets also have special names like Tommy, Jiki, Jimmy, Tipu. Then days and months. Then festivals, books, rivers, newspapers. Days, for example, days, Monday, Tuesday. Months, January, February. Festival, Onam, Vishu, Holi, Eid. Books, the Bible, the Jungle Book. Then rivers, the Nile. Then the newspaper, the Times of India. All of them have common names and special names. Special names are like Monday, June, Eid, Holi, the Bible, and the Times of India, etc. In the next page, we have something given in a highlighted box. Let us read it. Places and persons have special names. Pets also have special names. Some things may also have special names. What are they things? Yes, chocolate, Cadbury chocolate, and Colgate toothpaste. Barbie doll are special names of things. Okay. Special names always begin with a capital letter. Very good. Read the sentences and you can find special names which is marked with a capital letter. In the first sentence, Sagar goes to park every Monday. Sagar and Monday are the special names. In the last sentence, Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a special name and city is the common name. Now let's do the first activity. I'll read the activity for you. Pick the naming words given in the box and write them in two columns for common names and special names. Remember, the first letter of each special name begin with a capital letter. So here we are given with some names, common and special names. There is a clue to understand the special name. Special names are always starting with capital letter and common names are starting with, yes, small letters. I'll read the words for you, the naming words for you. Table, Yamuna, city, man, Suresh, Kanpur, India, July, pin, Eid, fruit, book. Okay, now they are the words. You can mark them in this table of common names and special names. What about table? Common name or special name? Yes, it is beginning with a small letter and it belongs to common names. And see the second word, Yamuna. Yamuna is beginning with a capital letter and it belongs to special names. Then the third one, city. City begins with a small letter and it belongs to common names. Then the fourth one, man. Man is also begins with a small letter. It belongs to common names. Suresh. Suresh is a name given for a special person. So it is a special name. It begins with a capital letter. Kanpur. Kanpur is a place name. It begins with a capital letter. So it belongs to special names. The remaining ones, India, July, pin, Eid, fruit and book. You can do it as a homework, and after completing your homework, you can check your answers with the answer key that I am going to provide at the end of the class, okay? If you have made mistakes, correct it and clear your doubts, okay? Now, in the next page, we have activity B. Here, we have to circle the special names in the sentences given below. First one, Radha is a good girl. Which is the special name here? Yes, Radha. Why? Because Radha, the name starts with a capital letter and it is a special name. Very good. Second one, Shimla is on the hills. Which is the special name here? Yes, Shimla. As it starts with capital letter and it is a special name for a place. Third one, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapu. So here we have two proper names or special names, Mahatma Gandhi as well as Bapu. They both of them starts with capital letters. Okay, the remaining ones you can do it as homework and check your answers with the answer key that I am going to provide at the end of the class, okay? Next activity, circle the common names in the sentences given below. First one, the boys are playing. You can see two boys are playing here. So, which is common name here in the sentence? Yes, the boys. Boys. You can circle the name boys here. They are the common names as it begins with a small letter. And it is a common name for boys. Second sentence, the school has a garden. School has a garden. So, here we have two common names. School as well as garden. Okay. They are common names of some place. Third one, I keep my books in the bag. So here we have two common names, books and bag. Circle both of them together. Books and bag. Both of them are examples of common names of things. The remaining one, only one is here. You can do it as a homework. Okay, my dear children, complete your activities in the textbook. Study well. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you all.